All right, putting a kit back into the practice room. Everything is being put back together, going to be cleaned. Have all the sound panels up on the walls. And most importantly, going to put everything back together. Get ready for the next Northern Michigan parade. Got some more sound panels over there. Got to put those up on the walls. And then everything is all taken care of from the Elk Rapids 2021 Street Fair. And really good time. Appreciate everyone for coming out. Appreciate all the folks in the parade. And then this is where all the magic happens, all the practice, and most importantly, where everything gets geared up for the next parade, which will just be in a couple weeks. Then, of course, once we get into the winter season, going to be practicing up. But most importantly, just wanted to say thanks for everyone. Thanks for all the kind comments. Really appreciate it. It's really fun to do those parades because gets out and hopefully it inspires some future generation drummers to get out and learn the great musicianship of drums. And most importantly, really appreciate it. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. All right, there's all the old heads that I took off my kit. And one of the cool things about being in a street fair is you get to play in front of anywhere from 250 to 1,000 to 1,500 to 5,000 people, which is absolutely fantastic. Get the spread the love of music. And the benefit about that is if you played in a bar band, which believe me, I played in a lot of bar bands from 14, 15 years old, all the way up until I was 21, 22. It's absolutely great to play in a bar. But the only thing about a bar band, you may have a lot of audience, you may have a little bit of audience. And being in a street fair, you're out in the open air and you get thousands and thousands of people. You get to share your love of music, which is really, really cool. And that's why I love doing that. Unfortunately, don't have time for a band, but this is what I love to do because I get to get out in front of thousands and thousands of people, number one. And number two, get to share the love of music. And hopefully it's going to inspire a future generation of drummers where 5, 10, 15 years in the future, you never know. You're going to be reading Modern Drummer magazine, watching a video on the internet, and someone's going to say, you know what? Some guy on his landscape trailer with his drum set was just freaking beating the heck out of his drums, and he inspired me to start playing drums. And that person, that boy, that girl is going to grow up and be one of the best drummers in the world. And I hope I can contribute to the next generation of musicians. Thanks again, and have a great day. All right, so let's take a walk around the back of the kit. Here, got all the CDs over there. Got the MP3 player down there. Got the old 80s boombox. You can't go wrong with an 80s boombox. And all those red heads on this kit, which is really, really beautiful. Got the foot pedals getting all set up. Got the moon gels. And again, as I mentioned before, we're going to be cleaning everything up, polishing those cymbals, getting them all ready for the next parade just in a couple of weeks. Over there, we got a whole stash of sticks, a bunch of CDs, which I'd love to just basically put on. Really doesn't matter if it's reggae, fusion, rock. It really doesn't matter what I'm playing along to. Just enjoying the love of music, and that's the whole benefit of being a musician. Just a love of music. Doesn't matter what instrument you play. Doesn't matter what type of music you play. It's all about the love of music. And the nice thing about it is, with drums, bass guitar, bass, banjo, it really doesn't matter. It's all about the spirit of being a true musician, of enjoying and loving, listening to and playing all genres of music. And again, got the 3 toms. Everyone loves the tom fills. I got the floor toms, double bass, the cymbals, and of course you can't go wrong with the cowbells. Got the red cowbell there. Got the other cowbell. Have the foot cowbell down there. So we got 3 cowbells. Get a lot of flexibility with that foot cowbell. And then with the acrylic cowbells, they had a great visual presentation to the red and black kit with the goldish cymbals and the silver stands. I mean, it's a great visual presentation. Really appreciate everyone. We'll be posting another video with the next Northern Michigan Parade. Thanks.